MooManage is a dairy farm management app. It's a mobile app for our dairy farms. We also see na maraming dairy farm management app, pero yun nga, hindi siya tailored sa ating mga Filipino farmers. Isa din sa gusto ko lang i-highlight din, isa sa mga problem na sinosolve namin is one thing is inbreeding. So it also cause na mag-low yung productivity kasi parang na-inbreed yung magkapatid pala sila, yung cow pag na-trace mo magkapatid pala sila or one ano lang sila, it will cause the health, parang abnormal pa rin yung lalabas. So sayang din yung cost ng isang farmer, like gagantay siya ng for how many months or years, investment yun, and then
Okay.
pagdating ng production konti lang yung lalabas. So the MooManage app has a cow profiles.
Family tree.
Yun, exactly. Meron siyang family tree or we call it cow profiles. Para siyang birth certificate ng tao
Okay,
lang din. So
gets.
it has the record of birth date, parents ng cow, anong breed. So dun sa cow profiles namin with MooManage is andun na lahat. Like you can record the milk, yung everyday yan, everyday kasi nagme-milking. And then health record, like last month vaccinated siya last month, or the next month kailangan siya ma-vaccine. So andun na yun. Yun yung din yung part sa task scheduling
Okay.
na ma-notify ka as a farmer.
Gets.